Hello friends, I present to you an expert advisor that is based on my manual trading system, Algo Pumping. This trading system is sold on the MQL5 market and its user ratings speak for themselves. This strategy deserves to be fully automated. So friends, I have significantly refined this strategy, added modern algo technologies, filters, important additions, and as a result, we have an excellent expert advisor, Swing Master, which trades using the advanced Algo Pumping swing trading algorithm. Each trade is protected by a physical stop-loss order. It operates without martingale, without averaging, and makes only one trade at a time on a single asset. This trading bot works on M15 timeframe quotes and trades on 15 different currency pairs. The minimum deposit to start is only 200 USD. Accordingly, practically anyone with any wallet size can start using this expert advisor. And the leverage can be any, because this expert advisor uses a safe trading strategy. Guys, the strength of this expert advisor is the broad diversification of trading results. If you run it in the strategy tester on a single currency pair, you won't see colossal millions. These will be average trading results. But as I mentioned earlier, it operates simultaneously on 15 currency pairs. If you combine the profitability charts from 15 currency pairs, we get a smooth, stable, and excellently profitable growth chart. That's how it works. We all know the saying, together we are strong. This is exactly the principle on which Swing Master operates. Simultaneous trading on 15 assets brings us an excellent cumulative trading result. As for the trading strategy of this expert advisor, it is reverse trading on market swing reversals. If you don't know what swing reversals are, they are patterns that occur at the local lows and highs of the price chart. After such a pattern emerges, the quotes return to their average value, and Swing Master makes trades to return the quotes to the center of the price channel. My expert advisor uses a modified Bollinger Bands indicator for market analysis, which I call the Sigma indicator, as well as the RSA indicators, moving average, and my proprietary professional swing indicator. Guys, every buyer of this expert advisor additionally receives first a step-by-step video manual that will explain in detail how the DSO to install, configure, and use my expert advisor. Second, set files for quick automatic configuration of the expert advisor posted for prop trading firms and for personal trading. Welcome friends, get my Swing Master expert advisor. I wish you excellent trading results. See you.